Hi everyone, today we are checking out the Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. It's kind of like Apple's magic mouse and super easy to carry around. I really like how small this mouse is. If you are a fan of the Apple Magic Mouse, this could be a great alternative. The scroll wheel has a good grip. Connecting the mouse with Bluetooth is easy. Just flip it over and you will see a little blinking light. It pairs up instantly. When you open it up, you will notice there is a 2.4 GHz dongle inside the mouse. That's handy if you want to use the mouse with another Mac or PC device. If you have got an iPad Pro, this could be the best mouse for it. Logitech promises that this is one of the most portable and quiet mice. The clicks are not totally silent, but they are very soft and tender. This means it's excellent for using in a library or any quiet setting where you don't want to disturb others. It's perfect for situations where you don't want the mouse clicks to be heard and prefer not to be noticeable. The same goes for the scroll wheel. It's pretty quiet, especially compared to the standard mouse. If you are using this in a dorm or coffee shop, anywhere you don't want to be disturbing with clicks, this is great. It's a bit more comfortable than Apple's Magic Mouse because it has more height and a slight angle to it. It's thinner and lighter, making it quite portable. You can easily put it in your pocket with no issues when traveling. The Logitech is also hyping up the colors on this. It comes in 6 colors: lavender lemonade, blueberry, sand, off-white, rose, and graphite. This mice runs on a double battery, providing about 18 months of battery life. So you will need to replace the battery approximately every year and a half, depending on how often you use it. It also features sensor technology with a wireless operating range of 10 meters. It's a solid choice for a reasonable price at $30. For more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.